Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable upvotes on your post notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on manage notifications. So then you come to this list. Then you come here to upvotes on your posts. You just click in this sign here. That like you see, sorry, when you click on this sign, that like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean upvotes on your post notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.